What is the opposite to successor?
Predecessor.
If a car is not stationary, what is it doing?
Moving.
What's the place of areas where a college or a university is located?
Campus.
What does human and animal skeleton consist of?
Bone to bones.
What do we call the extra performance that actors give?
Encore.
What is more fuel efficient, car or truck?
Car.
When you use Microsoft Word, which category does Times New Roman belong to?
Font typeface.
What do we call a mass of snow, ice and rock that falls down the side of a mountain?
Avalanche.
In which kind of book can we find Africa maps?
Atlas.
What do we call people who write songs?
Composers.
What does a sundial measure according to the shadow in the sunlight?
Time.
Which part of the body do mammals use to feed their next generations?
Breast.
What is the subject that involves geometry and algebra?
Mathematics.
What is the list that shows the names of actors and actresses in a movie?
Cast.
Which of the following is not a means of transportation? Plane, train, or car model?
Car model.